Welcome students. Today's our topic is HTTP RESTful. In the REST architecture, a REST server simply provides the access to resources and REST client accesses and represent the resources. Here, each resource is identified by URIs or global IDs. REST uses the various representation to represent the resources like text, JSON and XML. So JSON is now the most popular format that being used in the web services, and another is HTTP methods. So the following HTTP methods are most commonly used in REST-based architecture. One is GET, PUT, delete, post and option. GET provide a read-only access to the resources. Put used to create a new resources. Delete used to remove our resources. Post that is used to update an existing resources or create a new resources. And last one is the option that is used to get the supported operations on a resources. So these are the various you can say the methods which are to be available. Now RESTful web services, a web service that is a collection of open protocol and standard used for existing data between applications or systems. Now software application which are written in various programming languages and running on various platforms, and that can use the web services to exchange the data over the computer network like the internet. That is similar to inter-process communication on the single computer. So this interoperability, that is between Java and Python, Windows and Linux, this type of the interoperability. So that is due to the use of the open standards. So web services based on REST architecture that are known as RESTful web services. Another is WebSockets. WebSockets in a computer is a computer communication protocol that is providing the full duplex communication channel over a single TCP connection. So WebSocket protocols was standardized by IETF as RFC 6455 in 2011, and the WebSocket API is in WebIDL is being standardized by W3C. So WebSocket is a different TCP protocol from HTTP. So both protocols are located at layer 7 in the OSI model, and as such depend on TCP at layer 4. Although they are different, RFC 6455 state that WebSocket is designed to work over uh, HTTP protocol port 80 and 443, as well as to support HTTP proxies and intermediaries. So this thus making it compatible with the HTTP protocol. To achieve compatibility, the WebSocket handshake uses the HTTP upgrade header to change from the HTTP protocol to the WebSocket protocol. So this is all about the WebSocket protocols. Thank you. Thank you to everyone.